Hello everyone and welcome to today's live trading session. Now we already sent this trade on the group that we were going to take short on gold. So I decided to start a live trading session so that we can see how this trade goes, how it plays out, and if you guys of course have any questions as usual. Now why did we take today's trade? If we go here on the 15-minute time frame, as we can see, we have a beautiful order block from 63 to 67. Now there was also a fair value gap between here and here, which is between 60 and 65, and our overall bias was shorts on gold, so we took a gold sell from here from 63.65. Now the trade you can see here, the one being recorded, that's for my personal account, but we are also taking this trade with our funded account challenge, which we also sent on the trading group. It's playing out like you can see here. Our students are taking the trade right now and it's being played out, so I guess let's just see how it plays out. 1 minute time frame. Now we are targeting the 345. Why are we targeting that area? Because as we can see here, to be exact, we have draw on liquidity. Okay. Finally, okay, draw on liquidity. Now we did see price retest our entry before it went down. Now I didn't really get quite that good of an entry, yeah, one of our students got it at 64 exactly, so it was literally sniper entry. As you can see here, it did retest that entry 64 and then it went back down, continued back down. Now as soon as we saw that there was no close above this, close above here, we knew that price was going to continue down. And also of course we saw that price did close below here, right here at this point. So two confirmations that price wants to move down. Now, I am personally targeting a 1 to 2, so let's see how it plays out. Now once we get a closer below this London low, it'll be amazing. Okay, this is the push and the rejection we love to see. Now why did it reject from here? If we go down again on the 1 minute time frame, it's just respecting market structure, to be honest, you know. Highest formed, low, couldn't close above that high, and now it's again closing below that low, so forming a lower low. On my personal account, I am very close to TP, as you can see. Now, as my partner Faris was saying, unfortunately he can't be in the session with us, but he did update us on the group and he said that, as we can see, because price did not push above 64, we did not move our SL or think about closing. And he has personally updated his TP until the daily fair value gap. If we go here and look at it, where is the daily fair value gap? The daily fair value gap will be around here, between this and this. So he has set TP at 33. So he would like to see of course a bearish reaction. If he does see a bullish reaction, he will personally close. Now I am currently in profits. Let's see how it continues to play out. Now in this situation, for example, on the 1 minute time frame, there is a tiny order block we can mark out, and we just want to see it reject off that order block, or even on the 1 minute, there is between here and here, there is a fair value gap, which, as you can see, it did reject from. So as long as it does not pass this point, we still don't have a change of so as long as it does not pass this point, there isn't any like potential of it pushing upwards, you know. But of course the 1 minute does not do enough justice sometimes, so we gotta go take a look on the 5 and the 15, see how that's playing out. Now it did fill that fair value gap on the 15, which is good. This is what I'm talking about, boy. That's what I like to see. As I said again and again, it rejected off that fair value gap and order block on the 1 minute time frame, and we are heading for TP personally. And on the funded challenge account for Mindvest, our TP is at 44. So let's see how it plays out.
Order filled.
Okay, NFP came out, and this is what we love to see. TP buy! Yes, sir! Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, sir. TP. Sir. But as I said, we are still targeting the 44 spot on our challenge account, so let's see. Okay, now after news did this thing, it wants to push back up and probably fill out that huge gap caused. So let's see how it does play out from here. Okay, now I will end the live session here, but we'll see how the trade plays out later on. Okay, we are now back live with the students after a massacre of trades. Now, of course, we were talking to each other on the general chat, but price did move like that because of the news. And now, as we talked, as we said before, and as I told you guys before, we were targeting where was it again? We were targeting 44, but because it was there, the drawn liquidity was there. But we did decide to move to the daily fair value gap, which was at 33, as we said before. So let's continue this live and this video to see how it does play out until 33. Now we are moving quite fast, so should hit TP in no time. Just a quick recap if you guys want to have a quick look what happened to price ever since we paused the last video. Let's see here, like that. So obviously it was just consolidating up and down, just in a range motion, you see, up down, but it always did fail to break above. Now once price went up, failed to close above the previous high, went back down, we made sure that it did close below the previous low, and we got confirmation that it was gonna hit our TP at some point, hopefully. So yeah, let's see. Okay, 0.7 left. Come on.
Order filled.
We have hit TP. Yes, sir. Now the funded challenge account for Mindvest, we have hit TP, and I think we've made almost 4% on this. We've made $2,000 on this. So let's go and see you in the next video.